National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for western Harrison County in southwestern Iowa until 5 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 4 miles east-northeast of Blair, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Modale around 4:25 p.m. Mondayman around 4:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Pisgah. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Harrison, Iowa. Tornado watch number 140 remains in effect.